how to use Prezi AI. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Prezi, an AI tool which helps you to generate AI made presentation that can engage your audience in just a few clicks. So this is a stunning AI presentation site. So let's get started. To get started with Prezi, you have to visit this site prezi.com and you can check out its interface. This looks like this. And here you can see this search bar right here. You can just enter your details and like what do you want or what is your presentation about. You can just type in it, like you can type in the prompt here and tap on to create with AI. Then you will be able to generate a perfect presentation. The more you describe the presentation, the more perfect it would be, but I would recommend you to use ChatGPT. Here you can see this ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to use Prezi AI. Like if you don't have any idea about that, how you can use ChatGPT, use Prezi AI to create a presentation, then you just have to enter the presentation idea of yours to ChatGPT. For example, I'm gonna add. Oh, okay. I want to make a presentation about workout using Prezi AI. Now write me a full briefly explained prompt on it to give to send it to Prezi. So just send it over. Wait, let me type it. Okay, and then just copy the prompt and then you can paste it here and create with AI. Then you can easily, okay, let me show you practically. Just copy this one, this whole text. Wait, let me copy the whole text. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to copy it and paste it to Prezi, and let me delete the spaces. Now tap on to create with AI, and there you will be able to generate more details. Here you can add more details, make it look aesthetic, white and black background. Okay, now let's generate it, and then you'll be able to see the magic of it. But before using Prezi, you have to log in, and this is a must. Without it you cannot use Prezi. Okay, so you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, password, your other specification like student, educator, business, or other specification. You can add other things from here, and then you have to check this icon like, yeah, this is a must. Without it you cannot log into it. You must have to be at least 13 years old or older if you want to use it. Now tap on to continue. Instead this option, you can also use your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple account, your Microsoft account, and your Prezi account. Okay, and let's sign up with Google. So here you have to choose your Gmail, and then you have to tap on to continue, and then you have to log into Prezi. Tap onto this icon and then tap continue, and there we go. We are now logged into prezi.com. Here you can check out its offers. They basically offer 3 types of paid subscriptions, and this one is free. You can use generative Prezi AI, 600 AI credits, essential creation tools, and public contents. And here you can check out their pricing: $15 per month, $25 and $39 per month. But this one is billed annually, and for students and educator you will get a little discount from here. You can see this. Also you can just continue with the basic one, and for this you don't need any credit card. Now you can answer this question that when is your presentation due or something like that. So you can just answer this question, and then there we go. Let the Prezi generate my presentation, and we will see how it turns out. Now let's add a presentation to our Prezi. So let's add a presentation. So let's also use AI for it. generate me the perfect title, and it will generate some titles. I'm gonna just choose one, this one. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it up right here, and then tap on to continue. Now you can describe your topic here. You can also upload a PDF file. So let me describe it also, but if you want you can skip these steps, but I will recommend you to enter all the details it is asking for you, so that you can make up or you can get a perfect presentation. Describe the topic. Describe the topic in 50 words. Okay, I'm gonna just tap onto this. Okay, let's paste it up. Now let's tap on to generate. So there we go. Prezi AI is now making our presentations. So let's wait and see how it turns out. So here you can see the titles. I mean, no, not the titles, description I provided to prezi.com. So it is analyzing all of them and it is getting ready. So there we go. Now you can check it out. The site, you can go to first frame also. Yeah, you can check them out. You can also go to the editor and wait, let me go. You can check out this physical health gains. You can go back and check it out how it turns out. Now let's go to the editor and make them larger. So let's make this text here. No, let's keep the text. I'm just gonna make this text bigger from here. You can also add frames if you wish to. Wait, let's just merge them and make them bigger. So there we go. Now we can add it right here. So that's it. Now you can edit them according to your need. You can add frames from here if you wish to. You can just edit them. You can add also images. Just tap on to upload and then you will be able to enter your custom images if you wish to. So lastly, you just have to tap on to present right from here. Also, you can tap on to share and export to PDF. You can get the link to share it with peoples. You can also collaborate. So let's check it out. You can start presentation from here. You can tap on to presentation with watermark, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, you can check it out. So there we go. You can make it more advanced by editing your media, text, shape, story, blocks from here. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care and see you on to another video.